Patrol Academy!
What's up, everybody? Mr. Boom Boom here, and I have a special guest. It's
Little Boom Boom!
It's Little Boom Boom! Let's do a drum roll for Little Boom Boom. 3, 2, 1. Welcome back to my music room, and today we are going to rock out. I'm going to teach you all a very basic hip-hop drum pattern that we're going to play on our desks or tables. Now, we have 3 important rules, right?
Yep.
All right, rule number 1 is what? Everything off of your tables. Nothing on your table because we don't want you to hit it or for it to break and fall over, okay? Rule number 2, we must have grown-up supervision. So I'm the grown-up right now. Little Boom Boom's here with me, so I'm supervising Little Boom Boom, but you all need to make sure you have a grown-up supervising you for this activity. Now, the third most important rule is, what do you think it is?
Don't hit the table too hard.
Don't hit the tables hard because we don't want to hurt your hands, okay?
Or scratch the desk.
Yeah, that's true because my desks are awesome, but that's not as important as making sure you all are safe, all right? Okay, so here's the pattern I want to teach you guys today. I'm going to demonstrate it first, and then I want you to play along with me. All right, here we go. Now I'm going to break it down so it's slower, okay? Watch my hands, okay? Do you think you got it?
I think I got it.
All right, let's try it together, guys. We're going to go nice and slow. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, have your grown-up hit the like and subscribe button and make sure you follow us on social media. That was really good, Little Boom Boom. Now, if you use a different hand than me, it's okay. I care more about the actual rhythm than exactly which hand you use. All right, let's try it again, and we're going to keep that same slow tempo. What does the word tempo mean again? What is it?
Tempo is the speed.
The speed, how fast we play. So we're going to keep the slower tempo while we do that pattern again, all right? Let's try it again. 1, 2, here we go. Let's go slower. Let's go slower. 1, 2, here we go. Now, if you want to get a lower sound, instead of keeping your hand open, your right hand or dominant hand, you're going to ball it up like this and hit it like this. But remember, not too hard, okay? Like this. All right, let's try that again, all right? Mm-hmm. One more time, and then we're going to speed it up. 1, 2, here we go. Kickstart your child's musical journey with my Junior Music Kit. It's packed with 3 hand drums and mallets, 4 egg shakers, and a Mr. Boom Boom's Music Room t-shirt. Head on over to mrboomboom.shop and use code YouTube10 to save 10%. All right, now remember, the middle of our desk gives us the low sound and the edge gives us the high sound, just like traditional hand drums and even the cajon drum, all right? Now, we're going to speed it up a little bit, all right? You ready, Little Boom Boom?
I'm always ready.
Oh, okay. All right, here we go. 1, 2, you know what to do. Keep it going. Oh, yeah. That was so good. You think you can go faster?
I think I can go faster.
All right, let's try to go faster, everyone. Take a big breath. All right, let's go faster. 1, 2, 1, 2. You know what to do. Got it. And freeze. And let's do a big drum roll. 3, 2, 1, drum roll. Very good, everyone. Very good, Little Boom Boom. You learned your hip hop beat on our desk drums. We'll see you again for our next short lesson. See you later.
See you later.
If your family enjoys watching me here in my music room, I need your help. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That'll help us reach even more kids from around the world. And don't forget to follow me on social media.